In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can check your YouTube channel analytic in app. So first of all, you have to open Play Store and download the YouTube Studio app. Here's the YT Studio. It is called YT Studio app. So after opening this, here you can see the number of subscribers and total views and your content which you have uploaded or published. So first of all, we are going in content tab. In content tab, we are going to see some options like which videos you have uploaded. You will see the videos and their analytic too. Let's move to the shorts. In the short section, you are going to see your shorts and their views and likes. In the live session, you are going to see the sessions you have live or video you recorded live. In the playlist, you are going to see the playlist. Let's go to the video tab again and click on the video, and here you will see the analytics related to your video. You can see your views and subscribers and all. Let's come to the back. Now let's go to the analytic tab. In analytic tab, you are going to see the analytic of your channel, how many views you have gained, how many watch time you have gained, how many subscribers you have gained, and in last 48 hours how many views you have gained. After this, in the comment section, you are going to see comments you have got on your videos. After that, in earn section, you are going to see the monetization options. If your channel is monetized, how many dollars you have earned and all. If your channel is not monetized, you will see that how much your target is remaining and how much it is completed. So this is the basic options. So now let's come to the dashboard again. In the dashboard, you are going to see the basic analytic options. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.